Hello and welcome back to Crochet. Our tutorial for today is about this granny square flower. If you will notice, this granny square at the side is the classic granny square that we had made last time. That was very easy. This one is a little bit challenging, but it's also easy. We just use a popcorn stitch in here and magic ring here. So let's start. Okay, let's start with the magic ring. It's up to you if you want to use magic ring or you want to use slip knot. For this one, we need to use magic ring and then chain 2. 1, 2, and then we need 12 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 double crochet. If you want to change color, change color. If you don't want to change color, it's all up to you. For this video, we will change color because we are trying to achieve the look of a flower. So it's more realistic if we change color. So this time, you need to do this if you want to change color. We'll go here and then let's change color, any color that you want, and then let's join here. Okay, at the back it's up to you if you want to tie it or just hide it, so we can hide it from here. So for our round 2, we need chain 2, 1, 2, and then now we need to do a popcorn stitch. So from the first stitch here, we need to make 4 double crochet. One, 2, and then 3. That's 3. Our 4th is the chain 2 that we made. Okay, and then to complete the popcorn, you need to go here in the first stitch here, and then go here, pull it through, and then chain 1. So we have 1 popcorn stitch there. One more to the on the next chain. Let's have 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. To make a popcorn stitch, pull this a little bit and then go to your 1, 2, 3, 4. It's here. Go there and go here and then pull it through, chain 1. So now you have 1, 2, okay, one more. I'll show you. Next chain, we have 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's here, go here, pull it through, and then chain 1. So now you have 1, 2, 3. Continue that to have 12 petals. Okay, this one is a little bit bulky because I use macrame yarn here. Okay, let's continue. We are now on our 12 petal. So we're making 4 double crochet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now let's just connect it here. And I will change color again. So it's always up to you if you want to change color or not. Okay. So I'm gonna use the white again. The white that we use here in the middle. So choose wherever you want to start for our round 3. Okay. Okay, let's start here. Just look for all the stitch here at the back. If you can see here, 1, 2, and then here in the middle, and then here again. Okay, so let's work on that. So to begin with, if it's hard for you to go here on top of this chain here, you go here in the space. So we need chain 2, 1, 2, and then double crochet in this space, same space, double crochet. Okay, next, this is the next half double crochet, half double crochet. Okay, in the screen, the pattern is here in the screen, so it's easy for you to remember. So chain 2, double crochet in the same stitch, and then now we have half double crochet, and then look for the next stitch. In here we need single crochet, and then the next space, single crochet again. Just look for the space, okay, so it's not hard for you. So 2 single crochet, okay, and then the next is half double crochet here, the space, half double crochet, and then after half double crochet we need double crochet. Okay, then after double crochet we need to chain 2. So this is the group. The group is chain 2 because we started from here, but so this is double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet, and then chain 2. So that's one group. Okay, after chain 2, we will repeat this. Double crochet. Okay, that's right. Just look for the where the space is. You see, our next is here. You see this? If you can go here on top of the chain, it's fine, but it's easy here. Okay, so chain 2, and then we will start with double crochet, and then double crochet, then half double crochet. Okay, after this space in here, this hole, half double crochet, and then next, you see here is single crochet, and then next is this one. Okay, single crochet, and then next here, half double crochet. Okay, and then here in here, double crochet, and then chain 2. So now we have 2 groups already, 1 and 2, and this is 1 corner, so we need 4 corners to make it square. Okay, let's repeat the group. So double crochet again in here, you see that space, double crochet there. After double crochet, after this in here, okay, half double crochet. After half double crochet, 2 single crochet in here, 1, and then in here 2 double crochet, 2 single crochet, and then 1 half double crochet, half double crochet, and then double crochet here, and then chain 2. So now we have 1, 2 corners. I will continue. Chain 2. Okay, we are now in our last corner. Chain 2. We started here, so chain 2 here, and then so let's connect. So now we're starting to build the granny square. Yeah, this is the granny square, and we will continue like a classic granny square here. So let's continue for our square. We are now in our round 4. Okay, so if you remember, this is 1 double crochet, counted as 1 double crochet. But we need chain 1 and 2, and then double crochet on top of all the stitch. So 1, 2, just put double crochet there on top of every stitch that we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and when you reach the chain space, just work 2 double crochet, 1 and then 2, and then chain 2 because we are in the corner, and then 2 double crochet again. Just remember, if you're working in the chain space, you are always in the corner. So this is the one corner. Again, double crochet. Don't be confused. Go here. Okay, here in this space always. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, we are now in the second corner. Then we need to make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and then chain 2, and then 2 double crochet again. For those of you who watch the classic granny square I posted, this is the same. Okay, so now we have 1, 2 corner. Again, double crochet where? Here. Okay, stretch a little bit so you can see it. It's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then corner again, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, chain 2, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and continue. Anyway, let's continue. It's only one side here. Okay, so double crochet here, let's continue because we're almost there. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then we are now in the last corner, so we need 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and then chain 2, and then 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Okay, let's join here. Okay, you see now we have our flower here. Okay, if you want to make it bigger and bigger, just continue what we did here. Just 2 double crochet here, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet whenever you reach the chain space, and then double crochet on top of every double crochet here, and then 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, just to reach the the size that you want. Okay, so please wait for my next video on what can we do about this granny square. Maybe we can make a bag, or I don't know. I will check what can we do, a project that we can make for this granny square. So see you again. Thank you.